In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll in KDP Select on KDP. If you're a new author publishing on Amazon through Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP for short, you might be interested in taking advantage of the KDP Select program. This program can help you reach a larger audience and even boost your book's visibility on Amazon. I'll guide you through these simple steps and provide you with some insights along the way to make this process as smooth as possible. So whether you're on your first book or you're looking to expand your reach with your latest publication, let's dive in. To start, you'll need to head over to your KDP account. Once there, navigate to your bookshelf and choose the book you want to enroll in the KDP Select program. Click on the Manage button next to your book's title, which should take you to your book details page. This is where you'll make all the necessary adjustments to your book's settings. And most importantly, it's where you'll enroll in KDP Select. As you scroll down this page, keep an eye out for the section labeled KDP Select Enrollment. It's strategically placed to ensure you won't miss it. But if you're navigating for the first time, take your time and go slowly to make sure you catch all the relevant information on your way down the page. Once you find this section, you'll see a checkbox specifically for enrolling in KDP Select. To proceed, simply tick this enrollment box. By doing this, you're agreeing to make your ebook exclusive to Kindle and enroll it in the program. Keep in mind, this step is crucial because it formally enrolls your book, enabling it to access all the benefits that KDP Select offers, like utilizing promotional tools such as Kindle Countdown Deals or free book promotions. Before moving on, make sure you're comfortable with the terms and conditions associated with KDP Select, as exclusivity is a key factor here. If there are any questions, you might want to take a moment to review the fine print or reach out to a fellow author or Amazon support for clarification. Now that the enrollment box is ticked, it's time to finalize everything. Scroll down to find the Save and Publish button. Clicking this will save your changes and update your book's listing on Amazon. While waiting for it to publish, take a moment to review all your settings to ensure everything looks good, from your price point to your book description. Once you submit, it'll take a little while for your changes to take effect, but soon enough, your book will be part of KDP Select. And that's it. You're all set. By following these steps, you're optimizing your book's potential on Amazon, and with a bit of effort and promotion, you could significantly increase your readership. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on publishing with KDP. Happy writing!